Hi, I'm Jose with Baird Foundation Repair. Concrete leveling is a method for repairing sunken, cracked, or uneven concrete slabs that surround your home. There are many different ways that you can level your concrete slabs, and today I'd like to outline the differences between mud jacking versus our concrete lifting product, PolyLEVEL. Knowing these differences can help you make the best choice for repairing your home's cracked or sinking concrete. Mud jacking has been around for decades. The process involves mixing a mud and concrete slurry that is then pumped under a sinking slab. It can be messy, unpredictable, and leave large holes in the concrete where they cut out room for the ejection. And the mud concrete slurry it's made from, not only will it wash away over time, but the weight of the material is usually 30 to 50 times heavier than our product, PolyLEVEL. When you lift the slab with the same materials that created the issue in the first place, eventually the same issue will arise again. Now, consider a more modern option, PolyLEVEL. PolyLEVEL is exclusively offered by Baird Foundation Repair. Our product is a polyurethane foam that is injected under the concrete. It slowly expands and hardens, leading to a more long-term solution that won't wash away. The holes where we inject the product are the size of a pea, much smaller than what's typical for mud jacking. Plus, installation and drying time usually happens within a few hours. We've seen amazing and long-lasting results on driveways, sidewalks, and patios. And with summer coming, you can get your pool deck back into good condition before swim season ever begins. If you're looking for a solution that offers long-term results, less mess, and no wait time for use, give Baird Foundation Repair a call, and we'll get your free, no-obligation inspection scheduled. We'll send a trained system design specialist to your home to design a plan that will restore value and safety back to your home.